Hello, we are Team Digital Guerrillas from different sub-regions across Africa, motivated by a shared passion and mission to preserve Africa's rich oral tradition through AI. Our project transforms the Griot, the traditional storyteller, into a digital companion, ensuring these powerful stories continue to live on and inspire young generations. Oral traditions form the very backbone of cultural identity across African societies. Yet, these invaluable stories face the risk of disappearing. Many remain undocumented, and those documented are often trapped in languages or formats inaccessible to today's youth. Without intervention, we risk losing centuries of wisdom, identity, and pride that define who we are. Data Griots is a cutting-edge AI platform that digitizes and centralizes stories, proverbs, epics, and biographies. We make these accessible via a multilingual chatbot available on the web and mobile app. Additionally, we use voice-based chatbot to bring cultural figures to life. Our AI enables interactive storytelling that allows users to actively engage, experiencing culture rather than just reading or listening. Our prototype is built on a modern scalable stack using React.js for a streamless user experience and fast API for high performance. The AI layer leverages retrieval augmented generation combined with fine-tuning on African languages to ensure authenticity and precision. This technology does not tell stories, but facilitate living, conversational experiences with cultural heritage, scalable to millions of users across numerous languages in Africa. The impact of digital griots is profound. For Africans and the diaspora, it reconnects them with their roots. For schools and researchers, it provides a trustworthy, accessible knowledge base. For cultural institutions and tourism, it offers innovative ways to showcase heritage. With all this, however, we recognize critical ethical considerations. We affirm that cultural content remains under the stewardship of contributing communities. We intend to explore community-driven data governance models that ensure shared ownership, control over digital heritages, and equitable benefit sharing to prevent loss of cultural authority, especially if commercial interests emerge. To reduce the risk of underrepresentation or stereotyping in AI outputs, our data collection involves diverse voices, age groups, and genders, and our AI model undergo human-in-the-loop validation to preserve cultural accuracy and protect complex traditions. Given the sensitivity around voice recordings, contributors receive clear, specific information about how their data may be used, with explicit consent protocol, technical protections like voice anonymization against misuse such as deepfake. As the platform expands and the APIs open, we commit to strict ethical guidelines and transparent community oversight that maintains cultural integrity and prevent exploitative applications of this technology. Protocols are in place to identify and protect oral traditions, meant only for a specific group or sacred context, respecting cultural boundaries. We acknowledge concerns about the platform's impact on traditional griots. Rather than replacing them, digital griots serve as empowering tools to help griots reach wider audiences, preserving livelihood and foster new opportunities. Participants are fully informed about the data lifecycle, from data cleaning and anonymization to model training, highlighting fairness and accuracy challenges. If any financial gains arise, the use of funds for platform upkeep will be transparently communicated. Likewise, consumers will be made aware of content origins and data collection methods. To deepen collaboration, Griot storytellers and cultural custodians are co-creators, not mere data source. Advisory groups and the contributor network in pilot regions help validate and shape content, ensuring its authenticity and respectful representation. We provide tools and guidelines to facilitate community contributions and content validation. By focusing on a limited number of African languages initially, we ensure high-quality, culturally accurate AI models, evaluated through both standard metrics and human feedback, emphasizing storytelling fidelity, emotional tone, and cultural nuisance. Our execution plan includes collaborative data collection, digitization with cultural experts and historians, AI training with sophisticated NLP and the TTS models for selected African languages, pilot deployment with schools and cultural institutions, responsible scaling with clear licensing, community right protections, and the public ethical characters. Showcasing impact through multimedia testimonials, user stories, and the community showcase. Detailed griots align with the vision to apply AI to local challenges whilst preserving languages and knowledge through community collaborations. Our goal is to build a sustainable, respectful, and empowering platform that preserves African oral heritage for generations. Here is our team. Precious from Nigeria, an electronic engineer, the data science and analytic expert. Yusupha from the Gambia, an MSc in data science, the binary classification project expert. Fenu from Benin, a junior brand manager. Charmaine from Benin, an ML AI student. And Ghilth from Benin also, the AI and NL chatbot specialist. Lorraine from Kenya, an MSc student in AI and ML. Thank you.